Good morning, everybody! So this video is a little bit different because I'm not in my normal space and my fridge is behind me. I decided today to do something a little bit different and I wanted to kind of get ready with you guys. And Chris and I have a meeting today and we're just like hanging out, so I thought it would be fun to kind of hang out with you guys. And clearly I'm still wearing my pajamas and I have no coffee in me. I haven't brushed my hair. I haven't done anything yet. First thing in the morning before anything needs to be coffee. This is not going to be one of those cute day in the life videos. This is real life where I don't prepare the coffee in advance. 5 minutes? Yeah, so that is what we were doing today. I'm going to make myself some breakfast. Also, P.S. Do you like how these are like just casually hanging out? I'm obsessed with these. I bought them from Costco. This is my Valentine's Day present. They're so good and I basically eaten all of them. And I already got Luke up and now Chris has the kiddos and he's getting them ready. So I'm going to fix their breakfast, fruit, cereal, and that's pretty much it. It's really hard to vlog and cut, so I'm probably gonna put this down. This is the cereal that the kiddos have. It has dried fruit and almonds in it. I think Chris gets it from Costco. Don't actually know. The only thing I just really hate about it has these giant chunks of granola, which is great if you're an adult, but not great when you're 2. Number 1 is done. So now that Luke is fed, I'm going to go and make myself some cereal. And then we're gonna go upstairs and get ready for the day. Maybe, actually no, maybe I should do some dishes first. Half the dishes are done, half of them are not. I don't know why I did that.
I saw you on the road. I was chasing sunsets all alone.
And that is as many dishes as I'm gonna get done because Luke wants to go in color, so I'm gonna go in color with him, and then I'll go back to doing the dishes. But I did manage to get like 4 pieces washed, so that's pretty good. First things first, going to get myself a coffee finally. A little bit of creamer and also a little bit of milk. And yes, I know, it's in bags. If you missed my last day in the life that I did, yep, I am stirring with a knife because spoons are scarce in this household and they get used a lot. These like really dull knives do not get used. So that's what I use to stir my coffee. Okay, and now we are upstairs again and I need to get ready for the meeting. So I'm going to put my coffee down here. No, by the way, look how clean this room is, guys. This never happens. Usually you can't see the floor in here, but I did a cleaning with me video yesterday, so now it's nice and clean. It never looks like this. So now we're going to go into the bathroom because I need to put cream in my face. I need to put on my contacts. Oh, I forgot how messy my bathroom is. Clean, messy. So now I'm just going to put on my contacts and put on cream and the cocktail of creams that I've been testing out on my skin recently. A combination of the Urban Decay Rebound. This is their collagen infused prep priming spray. You have to put this on before any sort of skincare, so I'm gonna do that. And then the Indeed Labs Collagen Booster. And then, where's the other? Oh, there it is. This is the Olay Regenerist Whip. It has an SPF of 25, so we're gonna use that. And eye cream, where's my eye cream? Oh, there it is. This is the Isolix 2 from Indeed Labs. So that is what I'm gonna put on my face. And then for makeup today, I think I'm gonna do like a speed through kind of music dealio today, because it's not really a tutorial, it's just like more showing you guys what I do. I'll show you all the products though, and I think I'm gonna be testing out a bunch of stuff as well. And also I have Luke with me. Chris is taking Julia to a program that she's doing this morning. I keep stubbing my toe on this thing down here, which is filled with like brushes I need to wash and new products I need to sample, also my power cord. But this is what happens when I clean out my space, is that it just kind of migrates to another location of more stuff I need to clean. So yeah, sorry about that.
I saw you on the road. I was chasing sunsets all alone. The darkness faded, painting goodbye big sky. Far away but you say something, no running. You got me thinking about the state I'm in. Going back to that place we met. Yeah, I've been feeling lost somewhere deep within. No, I can't turn back, I need that grin, that loving. You say you want it, baby, take this in. You're feeling spent, but I know you want it, I know you want it. Oh girl, you know what I've been through. I don't know if I can do this on my own, no. Oh baby, tell me what to do. I don't know if I can do this on my own, no. I've been drinking, think I'm faded, way too much, don't think I'll make this on my own, no. Well,
So
fuck it, I'll
there's
just
the
say
damage
it
done. I really like this ColourPop palette. It's very, very nice highlight. And also the Makeup Revolution palette. This was really, really nice. I'm excited to play around with some of the other colors and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. And then we'll go on to outfit. I love how I put on my liquid lipstick and then I go directly downstairs and I eat lunch. And so I'm like, now it's all worn off on the inside of my lip. Ah! And then I was gonna do my hair in curls, but I don't have time for that now. So I'm just gonna straighten it and we're gonna call it a day. And then we are gonna go over to my parents' house and drop off the kiddos. Don't judge me, but I knew my pants would be more of like a croppy, and so I only tanned from here down. It's fine. No one's gonna see the rest of my leg. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Price tag off your shoe.
Off the bottom? Oh, good for me. Oh, puppy! Hi! Oh, yes, hello. Oh, you're so nice. I disappeared. I disappeared. Oh, hello.
Look at my little face.
Oh, look at it. It's so regal. Look at me. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, good. Hello, hello.
Hello. Where are the children?
They're coming, they're coming. Hi, Scouty. Oh, you're very nice. You're very nice. I know. What's this? Oh, don't eat my bag. Sit. Very good. Oh, you're so wise and intelligent. Brought you the setting sprays.
Put it on when everything else is on?
Yeah, you put on this and you put it on top of your makeup and you like spray your face. And then
have to make that noise too?
well, yeah, well, that makes it work better. Wave your face, but like that'll just keep it all intact. I don't know the science behind it, but it'll work so much better. So I brought the YT one, just so you can like try out some different ones.
All right.
And then I also brought remember I was talking about the finishing powders? A little dusting
Like a little
brush. You just like right underneath. I have to use the it's part of the experience. They're all really good. The Too Faced one is like super well reviewed. People
one?
really this one's like top notch.
hangover 3-in-1. So I have to get
You
drunk
have to get
first?
drunk first.
Okay.
Oh no.
That I help with.
Busted. Yeah,
she's
you can't
been-
have
she's
that.
I'll bet you'd like that.
Running off with the toilet paper.
No.
Yeah.
No,
But she's
buddy.
been so good otherwise. Like,
She loves Chris.
For as long as I got the paper.
Exactly.
No.
What else do you have? Yeah, you're not interesting about.
Oh,
You
you
won't bring me to paper.
You should go in the front hall and then call her because she just
Runs?
bounces.
Oh,
yeah.
I have to. Judy! Whoa! Go big or go home. You're funny. You're funny. Keep forgetting to show you guys my outfit, but you can't really see. You want to hold it for me? Thank you. So this is my outfit. How do people do this? I don't know. These are from Winners. It's Forever 21. I don't even know where these pants are from, but I like it. I'm really digging the whole mustard yellow, if you can't tell by like the last couple of videos. And these are surprisingly comfortable, if you can believe it. All right, Chris and I are on the road. We're on our way to our meeting. And I just have to say how proud I am of myself because I just applied a liquid lipstick while in the car. Every once in a while, I have to stop myself because I keep thinking like, why are the kids so quiet in the back? It's because they're not there. So it just feels weird to be just the two of us on the road. It's getting nice and non-snowy outside. I mean, it looks really gross. Come on, everyone, come and visit us in Canada. Do I have liquid lipstick on my teeth? No. Doggy. Does anyone else like to drive through neighborhoods and look at all the pretty houses with the beautiful frontage and like the nice driveways and stuff? No? Just me. These houses are so pretty. I know this is kind of creepy, but like they're so beautiful. I don't even want to know how expensive those houses are. Oh my gosh. What? That's like a palace. How much would those be? Like 6 million? 5 million? Probably? Maybe? 8 million?
Yeah, but, well, maybe not 8, but yeah, 6 or 7. I don't
That's
know.
not a house, is it?
Oh, yeah.
What? What are these people doing for a living? 10 out of 10, really bad at street parking. I will at all costs avoid it. It's either I'm like completely out into the actual lane or I'm up on the sidewalk. So now we're heading back home after the meeting and I'm gonna go pick up the kiddos and as per usual, Chris and I have no idea what we're gonna do for dinner. And by what we are gonna do for dinner, I mean what Chris is gonna do for dinner. So we've decided we're just gonna wait and we're gonna wing it. We'll figure it out when we get home. Oh.
Chicken fingers and egg rolls, maybe.
Okay, you know what? Chicken fingers and egg rolls are a classic. They're delicious. They have vegetables in them. Whenever Chris asks me what we should have for dinner, my go-to is nachos, egg rolls, and chicken fingers because those are the first things that come into my head because they're delicious. So, you know what? You should just stop asking me. Hey guys, so it is now the end of the day and we went out and we actually got Mexican. So we got some burritos and tacos and it was good. And I put the kids to bed and now it is 9:21. I have cleaned the kitchen. Just gonna dust that off my shoulder there. And I'm going to go and edit. So I'm going to edit for the rest of the night, emails, just catch up on stuff that I missed during the day, and then I'm going to go to bed. I really want to stay up and just tidy up the mess that I'm surrounded. You can see it. There it is. Oh, and also over there and over there with the little two-faced unicorn. My kids love her, and her name is Sparkles. But I'm not going to do that because I've been up until 12:31 editing and doing prep and projects and stuff for the last couple of nights, so I need to go to bed. And my makeup is actually like, it's held up really well today, as just like a side note, because we're on my makeup channel. It still looks really good. The only part was I shouldn't have put the Farsali rose gold jelly stuff on the center of my forehead. I don't know what made me do that, but that has been kind of breaking up my makeup a little, look kind of weird because I do get oily there, but like everything else held up pretty well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this sort of a different kind of video than I would normally do, and let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos in the future. And if you do, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know that's something you guys want to see more of. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I hope you guys are all having an amazing, amazing weekend, and I will see you guys all on Tuesday. Love you girls. Mwah.